Oh, can you guess what kind of room it is and whose it is?
Okay, this seems to be a streaming room, and
Okay.
judging by the streaming setup,
Oh, we're cooking.
and judging by the Gengar and the Buttercup, I think it is Julia's streaming room.
Oh my
setup.
God, how did you know? No, this is actually Arthur's.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. It's mine.
Okay.
It's a work in progress.
No,
Yeah.
I think it's a perfect streaming room. The size is good, and because the problem with my streaming room is like, the wall is so far from the camera, so the stuff and the bed too. So the stuff displayed, chat can't even see.
I didn't even think of it like that.
Yeah, but for this one, since it's a bit smaller, like chat can see like what's like actually
Everything.
on it.
Yeah, everything.
So that's really good.
Yeah. Also, these lights from the front, they look amazing. From the side, you can tell it's the cheapest lights possible. They're like very spotty. It looks almost like.
I don't know, and I had asked somebody to install these for me, and they didn't do a very good job with cord management. So I don't know. I'll have to call them back and ask them to fix that.
Okay, this is one of these situations where everything in this house, we only have like 60 seconds to get stuff done. And then there's already like the next thing that's waiting to be done. Like this setup, for example, oh my God, by the way, if you ever get an uplift table or any table of any sort, don't get a four-legged one.
Why?
If you want to clamp anything, it is so much more frustrating and annoying. Okay. It is so much more frustrating and annoying because of the construction.
So what should I get instead?
A
The
two-legged.
Two legs?
Yeah.
You'll save money.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
All right.
But other than that, Amaranth Verge Maxes, 60 watts output, beautiful light. If you turn them on, you can make them warmer, colder, whatever it is.
this is where we go. Ooh.
Yeah, I know a thing or two about
Wow. That's
lights.
the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Also, one more thing that's really cool. Low profile microphone arms. Ooh, it's not in the way. It's not blocking your face or whatever.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know a thing or two about microphone arms.
That's the best thing I've heard today.
Thank
Never
you.
thought about that before.
Wow.
Yeah. Anything that you hate or like?
That I hate?
I mean, I still have to unpack a lot of boxes, and all the shelves are kind of empty, and I haven't hung up any photos, and
Wait,
you know.
these are freaking awesome though. Like every single thing. Is that JJK?
Yes!
Oh my God.
My favorite anime.
Okay, we're on season 2.
Okay, so I haven't even started the last season yet because I wanted to rewatch it with Arthur.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
from the
Okay,
very beginning.
Yeah, season 1, like towards the end, like I was kind of losing interest, but season 2 has been like S tier.
It's
so good.
it's kind of slow start.
Yeah.
It's a slow start.
But season 2, amazing. I love Gojo.
Wow.
Hope he doesn't die.
I cannot wait to watch
I think everyone would
animes at
hate the show if he died.
7 p.m.
I
tonight
would.
because
Yeah.
we have to, oh my God, by the way, we have to wake up at like 6:45 a.m. every morning now.
Why?
What? Oh.
Why?
Yeah, because of you! Well, no, it's technically my fault. I signed Arthur up for boxing, and then it was like, bam, it's gonna happen in 6 weeks. I go, oh shit, and then, yeah, here we are.
Yeah,
Damn.
that's how it be.
Wait, do you think he'll win though if it happens? Him versus Arky?
No.
Oh.
But it'll be listen, some of the oldest form of entertainment is fighting, you know? Way before streaming, people were fighting for entertainment, so it will be entertaining. I think he has a chance. I think he can hold his own. I do think that there's a sliver of hope.
That's all you need,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah? Or you can distract him in the audience. Be like, Arky.
Oh,
There's a new hate thread about you, and then he'll look, and then Arthur can go ham.
Yeah.
I'll go, oh my God, Bonnie!
Yes.
And then he'll go, and then Arthur got hit
Wait,
with the
she
hook.
came after all, and he's gonna be excited. I love how like my friends though, literally instead of being like, yeah, you got this, they're like, oh, you gotta show some tricks.
Okay, to be fair, I would not have shouted you out again. I would not have shouted you out if I didn't think that you had it. So I think you do have it. I think you do have it in you.
You sound as confident as me. Huh.
Maybe in 3 months.
Okay.
Okay, 3 months.
Yeah, not maybe 6 weeks.
Anyways, over here
Yeah.
we have the closet.
Okay.
I have not entered it, therefore I have to not come out of it.
He came out of it a few months ago.
Oh my god, congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lots of artwork, lots of boxes,
Okay.
a toilet. Wait, you know what's okay?
Is it clean?
I don't know whether or not I should feel insecure about it, but whenever I enter the bathroom, for some reason, the lid is all the way up. I pee sitting down.
That is a lie.
How is Julia manlier than me? Peeing while standing.
Josh, I'm looking at you. Did you put the toilet seat down?
Who's Josh?
Oh, sorry.
You're breaking the immersion.
My imaginary friend.
Chat, either way, press 1 if you're sitting down as a man when peeing.
Josh,
it's
don't
more,
make me sin at you.
It's
You saw Rosie. You saw the clips of Rosie? You want
Oh.
it?
Oh, we don't beat our cameraman here. No, but
You look so scared. I wish Jack could see that.
oh, I forgot the guest bedroom.
Oh,
yeah,
here?
the-
Wait,
Shit.
what's in this
Yeah,
room?
there is a guest bedroom here. Oh my god, my apologies.
Okay.
So over here we have a teeny tiny. I just realized, by the way,
Oh, it's not tiny.
it's huge, right?
No, I feel like that some studio apartments are this big.
It's not
Yeah,
bad.
this is
Yeah.
$5,000 in New York.
Yeah, true.
To be fair, oh my god. We also still have to go to New York now. You just remember. I
yeah.
keep
Making me
realizing
depressed.
it.
God damn it.
Yeah, but this is Julia's old
Come here, Pepper. You need
bedroom.
cookies? Okay.
And I just learned that Julia's old bed is also her family's bed.
Wait, what do you mean?
Where I
Like her-
didn't.
her
My parents
parents?
used to fuck on this bed. Sorry, when I say it like that, it's a little bit weird.
The mattress?
Okay.
Is it the same mattress?
Yeah. Different topper, though. You know, I put a little... Guys, listen. Back in the day, I didn't have a lot. I was moving out of my house. I was 18. A dream. And you put bed sheets on it and a mattress protector. I
Yeah.
threw away the mattress protector.
The only reason why I did not forget is like the timing when you told me for the first time.
Guys, I was broke.
But what was the timing?
Quite intimate.
What?
What? You and I were the only ones in the room.
We have a guest and you're making her uncomfortable.
This itsKatchii is almost like family, yo. Okay. Well, here we have another closet.
Blocked off.
Is
Yeah,
it-
blocked off.
Yeah, it's blocked off. Like I said, we just moved. It's still very messy. I hope that this used bed that has been passed down generations will serve one of our guests one day, and they will neither
And
know
not
or
after
complain.
this clip. Nobody's going to want to stay here.
We just don't tell them.
True.
The internet
Well-
lives forever.
Well, now we have the clip. And we could send it to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Perfect. No, but it's nice.
thank you.
I like it. And there's a lot of history behind it too. You know? And you could pass it down now. So like what is a second generation?
It is
So-
second generation, but I used the nail gun to put the bed together.
Oh.
I don't think this bed can be disassembled ever again. Actually.
It's stuck
Not
here
with that
forever.
attitude.
Well,
All right.
next up, we have the living space. This is honestly, this is like 99% Julia.
What was the 1%?
The 1%,
Yeah, what was your contribution?
the hard work putting it together.
True.
Um,
That is true.
and the TV is from Finch.
Thank you, Finch.
Thank you, Finch.
Wait. Did the house come with like everything else surrounding the TV?
Yes.
Thank
Ah,
goodness.
It fits perfectly.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
so there is a little bit of a gap at the top and bottom, and you can see the bad cable management. And when I tell you, we've been busy. This is the Switch that I've gotten from you guys for my birthday.
Yes.
I created an account, downloaded Tetris, saw that you have to like pay Tetris to like play Tetris, and then I had to put it down because there was no time to play games.
Why
Yeah.
do you say that, Arthur?
No, because I appreciate
Arthur
the
loves
gift.
his Switch.
No, I like
think
the
he's
Switch.
so
No, I really like it.
nice.
I'm just voicing that. I wish I had more time to.
To play. Well, we're
Yeah.
gonna be playing Mario Party on
Oh,
Saturday.
yes.
Yes.